guys! Hey y'all! Hey everybody! I didn't hit my elbow this time. Did I even post that video? Oh well. Sorry, I got a bit of a cold. Okay, so, well, first I need a mirror. Okay, so how are y'all guys doing? I'm gonna just go ahead and start by putting on a little bit of this, I think it's L'Oreal. Where's the sticker? I don't have my glasses on, so I can't read worth a crap. Okay, yeah, L'Oreal Watermelon Plump. It's like a glossy plumper type thing. Looks like this. You don't see that? Focus. I'm just gonna just put a little bit on, so it can be kind of soaking in while I am doing the rest of my makeup. Okay, so let's start off with, should I do brows? Oh, by the way, I got some new brow pencils. One pencil. It's the Makeup Revolution. There's no shade on this, is there? Medium brown. I was like, okay, so it comes with like a little spoolie. Focus. Why does my camera never want to focus? Is it gonna? There we go. So it looks like that on one end, and then it looks like this on the other. Focus. Yeah. Okay. So let's just start off with foundation. Okay, put all this over here. Okay, so I'm going to mix the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear, this one. Is it gonna focus? Okay, so I'm gonna do one pump of that. Ooh, it's liquidy. And then one pump of my Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation. Looks like this. Okay, looks like that. Focus on me now. Hello. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to do one pump of that. And then today I'm going to use my Real Technique Beauty Sponge. Sorry, I was trying to figure out like grammatically how you say that. Looks like this. It's got a little RT on it. Focus. This camera like hates me. Look, see? RT. Okay. Anyways, so I'm just going to blend this in. We'll mix it up first with my beauty blender. And then wait, I need a mirror. And I'm just going to put it all over my face. So in the next week or so, I've got some new foundation coming in and powder, foundation powder. Oh, I got some magnetic lashes. Because I don't really like gluing lashes on. So I am just going to put the magnetic eyeliner on and pop those babies on. So, yeah. But I've got some other stuff coming in. But the thing I'm probably most excited about is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation. Looking forward to that. Okay. I think that's blended in pretty well. Try to get something down the neck. By the way, some people say that this burns their lips really bad. I don't think it burns that bad. Okay, so I've got my foundation on. Now I needed to use some concealer. Let's just use this concealer. This is the Infallible Full Wear Concealer by L'Oreal. And I am just going to pull this baby out and put some basically all over my face. Don't I look gorgeous? Okay, now I'm going to take the other side, the pointed side, and I'm going to do the concealer underneath the eyes. Okay, So I've got that on. Let me do, I think I'm going to do some powder now. This is the only powder I own. The Maybelline Fit Me 100 Translucent Powder. Matte Poreless. It's a long name. Looks like this. Okay, it looks like that. The lid looks like that. Okay. Ow, I just pinched my finger. Okay. I got this. I got this. Okay. So I'm just going to put some of that on my sponge and take this mirror and just kind of pat that underneath the eyes and on the eyes. Just to kind of mattify that whole thing. Because I look a little dewy. By the way, we're supposed to get some bad weather soon, so if I have to like run, then you know why. So I'm just gonna pat. And then some on my forehead. Alright, looking pretty matte now. Now I'm going to, let's see, let's do some blush. Okay, I'm going to take my beautiful rose brush, looking like this. I have a bunch more, but they all like look the same. So I kept this one and gave away all the rest. Okay, so this is the Milani blush. Again, the only blush I have, well, here. I have other blushes at my house, but not my grandparents, so. Anyways, so this is Blossom Time Rose. Looks like this. Got, you can't even really see the thing right there, but focus. Yeah, there we go. So it has to be closer. Got it. It's gonna focus on me now. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to swirl my brush around in there and take my mirror. And I'm just going to put that all over the cheek area. Okay. I think it looks okay. Let's add a little bit more, just on the cheek area. I love me some blush. Not a lot though. My grandma like right on the cheeks. Love you, but that's what you do. Okay. So I like to like gradually fade into the blush. Okay, so I'm going to take, I've been using this brush for my highlighter lately. This is one, okay, so a long time ago, I got like drippy nose. At least you can't catch corona through the camera. No, I'm just kidding, I don't have corona. I promise. Okay, so I got this brush set. It's got this one and these two, and it was like a whole like whatchamacallit, like a brush set, and I recently found it in my couch the other day. We have little like lift up seat things, and so I found it and I dug through it and I found a bunch of really good brushes that I never knew how to use before, and I found this one, and I don't know, it's supposed to be used for concealer or foundation, I think, but I think I'm going to use it for highlights. Okay, so actually let's do contour first. Not contour, bronzer. What? Oh, here. Don't want to use that one. Yeah, I'll use that one. Okay. Actually, I'm not going to use the pure one. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution one because it's a little bit lighter, I think. Yeah, it looks like this. Is it gonna focus? There we go. Okay. And so I'm going to take this fluffy brush here from, I think it's You Spicy. Great name. I'm just going to tap that off and just kind of go on like all around the perimeters of the face. The brush smells weird. And it's clean, I promise. So I don't know why it smells weird, but we'll just keep moving. Okay, let me use, okay. I'm gonna add a little bit from the Pure palette, the Pure Jumbo Highlight and Bronzer palette. And I'm just gonna tap in there, just kinda. Now highlight, and then actually let's add a little bit more of this lip gloss stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna pop this on real quick. So now I'm going to take, let's do some of this Revolution. I'm using a lot of Revolution today, by the way. I just got a huge order in. Okay, so I'm going to do the strobe highlighter. Does that have a shade? Flash. Hey, I love that show. Okay, so I'm going to tap in and then just kind of, well, that's pretty. Alright. Okay, so I've got, there's the thunder. Okay, let's do the eyebrows next. Yeah, eyebrows. Okay. So I'm just going to use the one I showed y'all earlier, the Makeup Revolution London and medium brown. And now I've got to figure out which side. Okay, not that side. Well, we need to use that side anyway. Well, where's that other? Here it is. Okay. I'm going to use this little spoolie thing. I'm just going to comb through my eyebrows, which I really need to pluck. So now I'm going to take, oops, wrong one. Now I'm going to take this pencil and just kind of fill them in. It's really tiny, so it's going to take a minute. Y'all want to, let me zoom out then. You know, see? Okay. Does it look okay? This is like my first time doing brows, but I mean, I think it came out kind of nice. That's just my opinion though. Y'all let me know down in the comments below. Y'all let me know down in the comments below if you think I did an okay job. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of this brow gel on top. This is the, again, Makeup Revolution in the shade medium brown. Okay, I'm just going to, show you what this looks like. Okay, this is in the shade medium brown. It looks like this. Undo, yeah, there we go. In the shade medium brown. Looks like this. Okay, now I've got the eyebrows on. I'm crazy. Don't mind me. Okay, so I've got, I think, pretty much everything else on. I did highlighter, and I did, that's, okay. I need to keep this on. Well, no, actually I don't. I'm going to add a little bit more highlighter, actually. This is from the Sculpt and Glow Makeup Revolution Pro palette. I'm just going to add a little bit more to the cheek area. And I probably need to hurry up because if this bad weather hits while I'm filming, it's not going to be pretty. Okay. So, what should I do for the eyes? Let's try, I think I'm going to do, oh, by the way, do y'all like my LSU scrunchie? My friend, no, sorry, my grandma's friend, what's it called? Not knit, what's the opposite of knitting? She made it. We'll just go with that word instead of the correct one. Okay, so I am going to, I think it's this one, hold on. This is the, yes, okay, this is the one I'm looking for. This one and this one. Okay, so I have got two palettes here that I've been dying to use. This one is the Makeup Revolution. This is their Forever Flawless palette in Optimum. Yeah, Optimum. Looks like that on the back, and then this is on the front. Okay, and it looks like this on the inside. Can y'all see that? Okay, and then the other one I'm going to be using is the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless in Allure. Looks like this and that, and then looks like this on the inside. Okay, so I'm going to start off with, which brush should I use? Let's try this one. It's my mermaid one because I love mermaids. Okay, so I'm going to start with the shade, let's do Sensation first. Okay, oh wait, I need to look in the mirror like a normal person, you know. Okay, this is just kind of setting where I put that concealer earlier. Okay, now I want to take a little bit of Sweethearts and Attract. Y'all know, let me zoom out a little bit more. Y'all see me now? Okay. Attract and Sweetheart. Can y'all hear the thunder? It's getting a little loud. Like, shh, I'm trying to film. Okay, sorry. Sorry about the thunder. It's so rude. Okay. So now I'm going to take, what brush shall I do now? Let's do this one. This is the BH Cosmetics number 5 brush. Actually, I'm going to do a little bit more of the brown. Let's do a little bit of Risky, because I'm risking it all. Wait, let me do that right here. Okay, then some more on the other side. Okay. Looking good, looking good. Okay, so now I'm going to pick up, let's do Nymph and Suave. Just using all the shades in the palette. Why not? Okay, so I'm going to pack this on the outside. Okay. And then pack it on the other eye. Okay. Does that look okay? I think this side needs to be molded out some more. Okay, so I'm going to take this brush, which is the BH Cosmetics number 7 brush from the Marble Kit. Looks, is it gonna focus? Probably not. There we go, it focused! Yay! Okay. So now I'm going to take Sweethearts and Attract and just kind of blend out what I just did. Okay. Let's do a little bit of Charisma too, and Sensation. Why not? And it's raining. How lovely. Okay, I might need to deepen that up some more in a minute, but for now I'm going to go in with the... Actually, I'm going to use a different palette. This one's a little bit too dark for my taste right now, so I'm going to use my Forever Flawless Ice palette. And it's kind of a dupe for the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, which I do not own because I'm poor. But looks like this inside. And I think I'm going to take... Crystal and Drench. Just start with Crystal, I guess. Okay, I'm going to take that on the other eye. Let's do a little more on the side. Okay. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Drench. Actually, let me get a clean blending brush. Okay. I'm going to use this one. I don't think this even has a name. It looks like this. Focus. There we go. Okay. Doesn't really have a name. So I'm going to take Drench and blend out the one I just did. Okay, now I'm going to go back into the... Do I have a light? I'm looking, sorry. Alright, I think I'm going to go back into Nymph with the same brush I just used. I patted it off and got all the dust off. The eyeshadow. Dust? Who does eyeshadow with dust? Anyways, so I'm just going to pack this back on the outside. Okay. Okay. And do I want to do... I need something blue, but I don't think... Wait, I might have something in here. Okay. This is my... Sorry. Okay. This is my Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions. Wait, does the other one call Sapphire Obsessions? No, it's Amethyst. So this one's Sapphire, the blue one. And I am going to take... I think I'm going to take... Wait, let me get a different brush. I'm going to take this brush right here. Focus. And I'm going to dip into the... like... whatchamacallit? What is it called? Foiled teal color. Because I don't have one like that in the ice palette. Is it back recording? I was just packing on this color from... Okay, so I'm just going to... Okay. Oh, I was covering that up. Sorry. Okay, just dip into that some more. Okay, so I did that with the brush just to kind of give it like a wash of color. Now I'm going to take that same color with my finger, kind of tap off the excess. Okay, so I'm just going to put that on the inner corner. Okay, then do a little bit more on this side. now I'm going to take this brush again, and I'm going to tap into this like bluish matte color and just kind of frost that over the colors I just did, just to kind of smooth it out. Okay, you'll see that. Is it even? I think it looks okay. Okay, so okay, I'm going to take don't want to add anything else. I think it looks really nice right now, but something's missing like in the center, I think. What should I add? Maybe, okay, I think I'm going to be done with these two palettes. Let me add, let's try the one I just had and see if there's anything in there. Okay. Yeah, let's add some Greatest from the Optimum palette. Just right in the center. Okay, I think this is looking pretty good. Okay, so now I'm going to add some of that color down the bottom. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong. Okay, I'm going to take Fighter from the Optimum palette and put that underneath in the inner corner. Okay, and now I'm going to take Own from the Optimum. This is Optimum, right? Yes, Optimum palette. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner. Okay. I think I want to take a little bit of that color with the other brush I've been using and put that on the outer corner to kind of make it more like maroony. Okay. Loud thunder. Okay. Oh, something's in my eye. That was some loud thunder. Okay. Okay, now that I've used every single palette I own, I'm just kidding. I only own, no, sorry. Rewind. I own probably 20 or more palettes. Yes, okay. So, now I'm going to, should I add a little brow bone highlights? I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Don't want to mess up what we have going here. Okay, so now I'm going to add some mascara, and then we'll do the lips, and we shall be done. Okay. Oh, I got it on my finger. Look at it. Look at it. Okay. Wipe that off. I'll have to fix my finger later. Lovely. Okay. So now I'm going to do some on the bottom lash. Okay, I love this mascara. Oh, I didn't even tell you what it was. Okay, this is the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. And is there a shade? In the shade black. What is that noise? Whatever. Okay. So I think I'm gonna like wipe this off. I don't have a like a rag or something, so I'm just gonna wipe it off with my finger. Okay. Wipe it off. Okay. So I've got that off, and my lips feel so much better. Okay, so now I need to pick a lipstick color. Should I do... No. Maybe, let's do a nude, just to not spice it up some. Okay, which one should I do? Should I do the pinkier one or the peachier one? Cake or... Piece of cake or control? Let's see, what does this one look like? No. Maybe this one? Let's try this one. Okay. Actually, let me look at my liquid lipsticks real quick. Let's see. Where? Hold on one second. Okay. No. Oh, that is all. Actually, I might add some of this. Good thing I found it. This is the Urban Decay. Oh, is it gonna? I think it like separated. Hold on. This is the Urban Decay liquid glitter eyeliner in the shade Gamma Ray. Okay, so I'm just going to a little bit right there. That's pretty. That's real pretty. Okay. Little. Actually, let me use the other hand because I am not good with my left hand. Excuse me. Right. Okay. Let that dry. I think that looks really pretty. Yes, girl, yes. Okay. Now I gotta find which lipstick I want. Not that one. Let's do Macaroon. This is from Lime Life. Looks like this. Called Macaroon, and I'm just going to pop this. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay. I'm just gonna pop this on the lips. Can I find my mirror? Okay. Now I'm going to add a little bit of, which one was I going to use? I think it was this one. I'm going to add a little bit of Piece of Cake and pop that in the center. Yes. Okay, that is what we call a lip. Okay. Think I'm done. Okay, let's take a look. I think it's looking pretty good. Let's zoom in just a tad bit more so y'all can see. Okay, so I've got the glitter on this eye and glitter on that eye. Just trying to make sure y'all can see. And the lip. Then we're gonna zoom back out so you can see it all together. Okay. I'm gonna take my hair down and then show y'all the final put together look. Alright guys, this is it. I think y'all will like it. Oh, I need to take a few, whatchamacallem, what are they called? Thumbnails, right? Yes, thumbnails. Okay. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye!